Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so where are we here? You know, we had a really nice volatile day on Friday. That got very directional in the afternoon. You know, I'm embarrassed to say almost it was a 100-handle day in the room, which was nice because I took the first half of the week off, so the whole thing just kind of evened itself out. But you know, they were handing out the consistent shorts, anywhere, from that 43 area, then the 35, 36 area, 26, 26.14, 25.96. I mean, we just continue to roll it down. But for the second time during the course of last week, Friday and Monday, they took it from very negative AD in excess of, negative 480. And we were able to rally that into the close, which tells me that, the dip buyers aren't going away, at least not yet. And you can see with the purple line here, the 200-day exponential moving average, or the simple, whichever one you want to use. The 200-day moving averages are acting as support. The 100-day exponential moving average here and here is acting as resistance. So we're sitting between two longer-term inflection points, one very long-term inflection point, trying to figure out what this market wants to do as far as the next leg is concerned. The advantage right now is to the bears. It's to the bears because we're below the daily middle band. As long as we're below the daily middle band, we're ultimately in a rally sell market, which is what Friday was all about. Every one of those pops was a sell, and it was a sell that ran, we were doing 20, 30, 20 handle runners during the course of the afternoon. So as we get into this week, let's hop over onto the hourly chart. You got a new weekly pivot at 2609.75. So they hopped that up Sunday night. They tested it. They haven't really been back. I would be very surprised if we didn't go back there once we open up. And this move down from 28 might be the beginnings of that. I'm flat. I haven't traded this overnight. I've been running around like a nut doing other things, so I have not traded yet this week. So I'll get into it after 9:30 when somebody rings a bell somewhere. But you look at daily pivot here. In the 18 area, you got weekly pivot 2609. How this band of price holds up is going to be important. You can see the hourly mid-band intersecting with price right now, right around 17, and in the daily pivot. So, 2609, 2607 to 2617, that 10-handle band of price is going to be important. If you win that, you win that chunk of price, you're going to win the day. Because if you're the bears, then you have a chance to convert weekly pivot, go down and test this other higher low. You got your weekly low back here, Monday, higher low, higher low. You got this 100-day resistance up here. All I can say to the bulls is, if you take this thing up, you're going to need to finish. You're going to need to take out the 100-day. You're going to need to take out the daily mid-band, which is up around 74, and you're going to need to take out the monthly pivot. And if you can't, then that's a rally that's going to get sold, and we're going to continue in this process of hanging around between the 100-day and the 200-day, which makes for great trading, but it doesn't make for a lot of progress as far as where we're generally headed market-wise. Okay, that's all I got. Everybody have a great day. I'll be out with we'll do a midday update. We'll do a wrap-up, Twitter, Instagram. New week. My first full week of trading for April. I was away a few days last week, so I know there were people out there. I got emails. People were waiting for me to get back from vacation to come in and start a trial, come and check out the room. Come on in. We are open for business. We got a full week over at Princeton Trader. I look forward to meeting you. There's a truckload of new people in there to trade with. Everybody's learning together and having a great time doing it. So I hope you'll join us. Everybody have a great day. I will talk to you then. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.